Hey everyone, what does wasting time really mean? It's mean a good way to measure, to have a look at how you are spending your time each day. The belief is money is everyone's greatest blessing, but the reality is your greatest blessing is time. It doesn't matter how much money you have. If you have no time to enjoy it, you will never be able to take your money with you when you finally run out of time. If you are going through each day aimlessly, waking up at the very last minute, and that is you are not making the most of your time each day. Here's what you can do from now to onward to stop wasting time. Number one is recognize your time suckers. Social media may be your greatest time sucker. How much time you are spending on social media is an area to be aware of. It starts from let me take a break of 5 minutes to browse the internet. That's how it starts. An hour later, you are still browsing. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Quora, Pinterest extends breaks from a few minutes to oh shit, I just wasted my 2 hours. Do you find yourself spending a long time on social media and checking your phone again and again, even you know that those activities are useless and waste of time, but you cannot help yourself? So, to get out of from all that social media fever, you may schedule your time of social media usage and maybe turn off your Wi-Fi when you are doing something specific. Number two is have a plan for the day. The biggest time waste is not having any kind of plan for the day or week. The day when you came to know that you have a specific goal for that day, then you will definitely take yourself away from the phone. Number three is use time blocking. Work within time slots when possible. For example, you can set the first 1 hour of your day to learn and improve in your area of expertise, next 1 hour to work on any task related to your long term goal, and you can spend the third hour checking emails and so on. When you work in time slots like these, you make better overall progress. If not, you may wander from one task to another without a clear direction. These were the 3 tips that you can follow to stop time wasting. There is a most frequently asked questions why we do waste time. In simple words, when you have multiple paths which lead to a destination, you tend to choose the easiest one. Similarly, when we have a choice between working on a task versus wasting time, we choose to waste time because it is easier. I hope so. This video will help you if you want to save some of your time. See you in the next video. Till then, be motivated and take care.